Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.